Welcome to another video. In this video, you'll find out how to track video SEO with VidIQ. VidIQ is a tool that will help you grow faster and more on your YouTube account. This is the way that you can track the SEO for your videos on VidIQ. First of all, go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for vidiq.com. You'll be redirected to the main page where you'll need to sign up for free. Click on sign up for free. You can connect your channel if you want, but you can do the SEO tracking thing without connecting to your channel. So if you don't want to do it, just click on skip for now. You'll be asked to get one of their paid versions, but you can do the SEO tracking on the free version too. So just click on the cross option from the top right corner. Now you'll be directed to the main dashboard of VidIQ. Here you can do a lot of things. You can generate a video idea, create thumbnails, find the trending videos, generate video content, or of course find trending keywords. What you'll need to do is click on find trending keywords. You'll be directed to this page where you need to search the keyword that you want to use for your video. Let's just say I want to make a video about football, so I'm going to search football. Now you can see the overview of the keyword football. It gives me a score which is 60, which is a medium. It will tell me that the competition is pretty high and the search volume is very high. You can see the related keywords and their overalls. That would show you that is your keyword better or the related ones. You can scroll down and see the matching keywords. Again, if the score is higher than your keyword, make sure to change it. And of course, questions about your keyword. You can buy the boost version in order to get more options, or just connect to your Google account in order to get the full version of VidIQ. But by using the search keywords option, you can search any keywords that you want to use for your video and find the best ones for your video. That is how you can use VidIQ in order to track your video SEO. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.